Hi guys, today we're gonna play Minecraft. Can I borrow? So let's play guys, survival. And we have a lot of dogs in the by the way. So it's kinda nice. So let's go to Redge and let's go to the whole I put a hole in it, so let's go and go see. So guys, let's go and where do the doggies go? Oh. Go in the swimming pool. So cute. But this is our room, so there's two dogs here. What's this in here? We're gonna. Oh, hey little buddy. So let's get a new pet. We should get a wither skeleton, the slime, spider, zombie, husk. What the husk? Oh God, it's gonna eat my child. Hey, you, do not eat my child. Do not eat my child. Let's eat. Right now, we are gonna make it our next floor. Process every day. So, let's go build. So let's finish this. So we have 3 floors. We're gonna make 3 floors. So now, guys, this is our game. So we still haven't finished that, but we almost finished. Because we are still not finished. My friends are just playing. My sibling and just ignore them. Just ignore them. So